Hey loves, it's your girl Kinky for Lisa and welcome to my channel. So today I'm here to share with you my green tea shampoo recipe. If this is something that you are interested in, make sure that you keep watching this video till the end. So the ingredients I'm using to prepare this shampoo is my green tea, of course, this is the Lipton brand, and my castle soap. I'm using the eucalyptus scented one. I also have my vegetable glycerin and also the penetrating oil mix. Then I go ahead to get my xanthan gum and of course distilled water. So these are the ingredients that I would be using to prepare this shampoo. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit on the subscribe button now, and let's head into the main video. So I first of all boil water, yes, to infuse my tea inside, and I'm using 75 ml amount of water. After I have boiled the water, I just put my tea bag into the water and wait for about 5 to 10 minutes to get the tea to infuse into the water, and then I stir. Now green tea has a lot of benefits. Green tea is very helpful to prevent dandruff as well. So for you to let you see how the green tea infused, I decided to change the bowl I'm using to prepare the mixture, and this is what I have. So I decided to take the tea bag out and then add my next ingredient, which is the liquid castle soap. Now this is my soap base that I would be using for this shampoo, and I'm using 25 ml castle soap. I usually like to dilute it in a ratio of 1:4. 1 part of water is to 4 part of the castle soap. That way you're not using too much, and you don't need to use castle soap like that on your hair. You have to dilute it. So after I added the castle soap, I go ahead to add my penetrating oil mix. Now this is a mixture of 4 oils. Extra virgin olive oil is a mixture of coconut oil, palm kernel oil, and yeah. So after I have added my penetrating oil mix, I just mix it up just to get everything mixed in there. And then the next thing that I need to do is to get my thickener to thicken the mixture. Now I'm using the xanthan gum, and to hydrate the xanthan gum I would need to mix it with glycerin, which is why you see me using glycerin here. Glycerin is also good and is a great moisturizing. It has a great moisturizing property. So I just take a little amount of the xanthan gum. In fact, I didn't measure it, but you don't need to take that much because xanthan gum can really expand and thicken your mixture. So you don't really need much. At least 1% of the total weight of your product is fine to use. So after I added the xanthan gum, I just mixed it up. And if you decide to, I just mixed it up, yeah. So that is basically how you prepare this shampoo. Now because the xanthan gum thickens with time, you don't need to add much. You need to add just a little. In fact, I made a mistake by adding a little more of the xanthan gum to the mixture like this, because as I said before, you need to hydrate the xanthan gum in glycerin, and adding it to the mixture like that is going to be very difficult to hydrate and dissolve in the mixture, unless of course you want to use your hand blender to do that. That is a stick blender. Otherwise, please hydrate your xanthan gum in glycerin. So after waiting for about 24 hours, it really thickened up pretty well. So you see the reason why I said you shouldn't use more xanthan gum, because it will thicken up with time. You just need to use about 1 to 2% of xanthan gum in your mixture. So after I have mixed everything, I just decided to transfer it into a nice container, and there you go. I have my shampoo here. It smells really nice because the castle soap I used is the eucalyptus scented one. You can use the unscented one as well, but yeah. So this is the thickness of the shampoo. If you want it to be thicker than this, you can add more xanthan gum, but be careful not to add too much. So we're gonna be doing a foam test, a lather test, sorry. And so I decided to test the lather of this shampoo for you. I just wanted to show you that this shampoo really lathers well, and so if you put it on your hair, it's going to lather very well. So basically I'm just gonna be adding a little water just to rub my hands for you to see how well the shampoo lathers. And yeah, it does. It lathers very well. So this is basically it for how I made this shampoo. You notice that I did not add a preservative to it because I chose not to add a preservative to it. I was going to use it instantly. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I will see you same time next week. Bye.